Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So this is the our lesson number 158. We welcome you to our session. This is the fresh session in which we are going to show you the difference between the text box and the combo box. Means you have in the text box, you have the chance only to enter one value or display one value, whereas the combo box allows you to show multiple values, right? So, like in the order uh, text box, order one, it is it is showing only one value. There is no drop down. There's okay, you can have mm, you can deal with only one value, single value, right? Whereas in the combo box, you have a chance to sell. So what if we decide to convert this text box in quick into the combo box? It seems very big deal now. It seems as if we had to do a lot of things because um, changing the control and this and that. So we will show you how quickly you can handle this requirement, that converting this text box into the combo box and without having any need to change the already entered code, right? So as you can see that we when we change it, we get the respective values of the shipment of this the customer, and this all the informations are coming. And had it been a combo box and we want to shift to 42, so we would all not need to enter or use the keyboard and type the value you want, 42 for example, and it is now 42, it is showing the value, right? And you get back to 41 for example, press enter, right? So you get the values which are here, right? And if you want to get back to 40, right? So these are. So this is more continuous. We can make it efficient so that we just select the already entered orders in here, and it is going to uh, get the data for you. So no need to be dependent on the keyboard, right? So just select the order which has already been entered and so for this we have to close it and we have to go to the view code, right? Yeah, we go to the developer tab. In the developer tab, we have this. We go to the form, that is sale order, and what we do is we go to the tool, right? We see what is the name of this. It is order one. Okay, so let's create a combo box with order two, right? This is the clue for you that this is and we use the combo box, right? And we name it intelligently, that is order two, so that we all we need to do is just to replace the order one with the order two. So order two, right? Okay, order two, right? Fair enough. Now the order two is added here. Yeah, make it adjustment or whatever, right? So before straight away deleting it, we go to the code like this, right? And we press Control F here, and we type order one, replace with order two, okay, replace all. So you will have plenty of replacement that is 20. Wherever the order one was used, it is now converted into order two, right? Okay, now straight away we see that what happens when we click this form. So the previously it was coming in the order one. Now it has started coming order two, right? Okay, and then there is no values, fine, that we will handle it. And let's see that it is working. 40. Press 40 here, and it is all the code is working. How easy it is to manage it. 36, for example. Yeah, this is 36, remember? So and if we type 37, so if we always have to type, then what is the use of the text box and the uh, the 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 order this combo box advantage is when you don't have to try, and you can have multiple items listed and choose it, right? So let's take the advantage of this, and for this very few code changes are required, or just a line. We go to the forms initialize event, right? We go to the form. Where is it? The form. Yeah, we go to the sale order form. Yeah, and we go to the initialize event. Yeah, this is the form initialize, and here where we are entering the order, the other we are populating uh, the salesperson, etc. Right? So you would see that there are certain yeah admin and so combo box the elements in which we are adding the items, right? So just such we do Control F, we say dot add item, this is the thing which adds the items into the combo box, right? So fine. Yeah, this is the add items. Okay, fair enough. So this is adding the sale person names. Okay, so what we will do this. We will copy it, and we will, and there is a range also being used. This is, so we will make make use of these two things. So we can do the job right here, and first of all we set first of all we set the sheet, right? This is employee sheet. It was taking the employee. So let's set the sheet name first, right? Okay. Control V. Okay, we have made it. I just okay. And we do this work for add items in the order to combo box. This is just for our memory that we are doing this portion, say, and here we will write the finish anything. This will start and we will do this finish here. Fair enough. This is a start. Okay. Now, the first thing is that we set the value of the SH to the cell order. SO, right? The next thing is that we use the variable LR, that is last row of the selected sheet, the SO sheet, right? The third is we set the range, right? Control C, the range is already defined up dim. Okay, so we do this. Here we are going to use this number, right? So it is using the offset column C. What is C? C is the employee name. Okay, so we need to find that where is the C located. So okay. So we will see it. Let's use the C as well. So C. Okay. So that is going to be used in here as well as in here. Yeah. Soon after that. Yeah. Okay. Make sure you have the SH properly set prior to using the other things here. Yes. Control C. This is right. And soon after this finishing, you need so that it does not get mixed up with the other thing. Okay, the employees will handle that. Here we will change it, the order ID. The item text is order ID. Let's make sure that it is order ID. So the column A, that is order ID, right? So Control C, Alt F11. So we put order ID in here. Okay, so it will search and ultimately it will come as 1 and since it is 0, so this is going to be selected and it is going to pull all the data with the add item command. We need an add item, right? Yeah. So, yeah. We don't need it. We need only this part of the C. Okay. So this is all we need. So one more thing is here, we will remove order 1. So order 2. Order 2 items are going to be added, right? So what we are doing is, first of all, we are setting the SH variable to the sheet which we are targeting, that is sale order. In the sale order, we want to search that where is the order ID. Okay, so that would of course return to 0 because it is already the sold SO means the very first column is this order. That's fine. Even you can you can skip this test, huh? Because as you know that, but in future you may have the condition that this column is shifted from the first position to say third position or fourth, somebody inserted. So it is still going to work if you keep this code in like this. Okay? It will adjust automatically. The next is it is now taking the last row so that until when it is going to do it, right? The LR is the last row. Now it is setting the sheet as a sale order and taking the offset, and then it is replacing it with the sheet name. So that's fine. Okay, that's fine. So we leave this unchained, and that's it. So let's try out it, how it works. So we go to the interface and we try to run it. So it has run it successfully. Okay, so we see that all the listed or entries are there in addition to the next means to the order uh, which we can create a new order. So since until 81, 82 is the maximum, so it is adding one and bringing 83. Now, if you change it to 40, for example, here, right? So it can still work. And if you, instead of changing, you select it, say to 42, it is still changing, right? So you press enter, so it takes you to the, so it is updated, right? As soon as you click 45, so you have to press enter in order to get it. So this is how it is done, and as soon as this is updated, so it gets you the details. So this is the advantage I wanted to show you, the combo box advantage over the text box. It is able, by using the combo box, you have the you can have multiple items listed, and you just run. And another advantage, if there is some skips, like you see, there is this combo box is telling you that 48 is the valid number. You don't have to validate it, and 49 is invalid because it is no longer there. So the 49 number is not supposed to be entered, right? So this is how means you can also restrict the user to select it instead of choosing. But let it be simple like that, and once it is done, you can simply remove this order and place uh, and relocate it to the right position. So let's get back to the form, and we no longer need this here. We can move it to here. So this is how we have converted a text box into the combo box, and utilizing the advantages which are available in that, and with minimum uh, changes done in the code. Okay, so the key, the rule of thumb is that your naming convention helps you saves your codings unnecessary. Unnecessary coding is avoided if you just convert order one to order two. In future, if you need anything else, You make it 83, just find and replace, and then it is going to generate it. Okay. Thank you very much for watching, and look forward to your participation uh, in our forthcoming video. Thank you very much.